piano, Diano is a big vibe, but the girls them know. Steadily, we are getting lead.
Bros Osimhen and Bros Nwabali, congratulations on top una qualification to AFCON finals.
Oh God, thank you.
Thank you, my guy. Overseas that won't chop me like suya. This boy never say anything.
Bros Osimhen, people been dey expect you to dey score plenty goals, but e be like say you leave the goals for your other teammates. Meanwhile, you dey cause damage for their defense.
Na the score be that now. Them no get option because on how them give me small chance, I go score be that. Now why that your defender wey keep face like person wey senior my papa, give me leg and yansh like say na my piano with a dance for pitch.
Bros Nwabali, everybody been dey reason say if the match enter PK, Naija own don finish. But as e start, na you can't change am for them. Even carry man of the match join.
Yes, nah. Now wetin people no know. Just because say their keeper catch PKs against Cape Verde, them can't dey feel like say na because of them FIFA manufacture PK. Don't forget say me where they play for their league. Don't sabi those their amapiano legs.
Na wow, na everything be about amapiano.
Yes nah, you know the same as we been dey play the match, but we don't cuckoo collect am from their hand as we knack them.
At least them try pass Ghana wey na only jollof rice them sabi cook. Even though say we cook pass them.
As na don reach finals with Cote d'Ivoire, how you expect that match to be based on say una comot from the same group?
We don't win them before. Now to win them again, clear their doubt say we pass them.
Even on top the good luck wey dey follow them.
If luck carry you reach finals, you don't try for you now. As them dey finals now, luck don japa. Them dey on their own. Now, everybody show your workings. And one thing I sabi about them be say, at least them dey chop goals. We been get small problem with South Africa because their keeper no dey gree ball enter post. But for Ivory Coast, we go knack maga them still keep clean shit on top their head. Oga Drogba, if you dey watch this thing, sorry yo, we no mind say na your home. But that trophy dey go Naija.
Oga Sarri and Oga Lampard, una welcome.
Kobala.
Thank you, Kobala.
Sorry, wetin do you for head this time?
Na long story, leave that talk for now.
Abi your mouth don go put you for another trouble.
I don tell you say make you leave that one now, you no go hear.
Okay I don leave am.
Kobala, I dey hospital here say them don comot amapiano from AFCON. Na true? Naija comot them for penalty shootout. Chai, that their PK catching keeper no help them. No, you no even catch one. Chai.
Which country be amapiano again for Africa?
Na South Africa him dey talk.
So Naija dey finals now.
Yes, sir.
My problem with those Naija people be say, if they mistakenly win that AFCON, them go use mouth pursue the other African countries come out for Africa, and they go cause refugee crisis for Europe and Asia. Plenty go even drown for Mediterranean Sea and the Indian Ocean where them they run from Naija people.
You mean
Ha! You be new? If those people drag you back, you go commit suicide. Come kill yourself, join.
My own na say, that day when Naija go carry World Cup back, make it be say Elon Musk don't finish work for Mars. Because the rest of the world go pack comot earth for them. Tomorrow, Girona go find Madrid go their house for Bernabeu to play potential league title decider. Oga Lampard, how you take see that game?
Now that match go separate men from boys. And given the fact say Madrid don't knock them for their home for the first leg, now another water knocking then they go collect for Bernabeu.
Da play, just da play.
What do you mean by say I dey play?
I no mean anything, but I don't talk my own. That same Saturday, Bayern go meet the unbeaten Leverkusen for another potential league title deciding match. Oga Sarri, what do you think about that match? Wetin I get to talk na say, that match na Toko job deciding match. How? I need to explain am again. I say, na the match go decide whether Toko go join Mourinho and this my guy here, or continue to the coach Bayern.
You dey craze, idiot!